Yeah, guys, have you heard about the 007 GT? And in Europe and other parts of the world, this car is called the 7 GT, okay? Guess what? Gran Turismo. And this is another hatchback coming from Zeekr after the 001, okay? This is an impressive car. You see this platform right here? It lights up and it can display messages, okay? And of course, guys, take a look at how sleek it is. It's beautiful, but it's a little bit smaller than the 001. But guess what? There are impressive features, advanced technological features that you're going to enjoy as I show you on this video, okay, that you may want to enjoy in this car. And I'm going to show you all of them in this video right here. 20-inch rim tires, Zeekr style, running on Michelin. Take a look at how beautiful this is. Guys, anything 20-inch rim tires, I'm having it every day, all day. Take a look at how beautiful. The car is a little bit smaller, but running on 20-inch rim tires, that's great. And guess what? These are your cameras. You have your cameras, you have your sensors right there. And guess what? This car, all the doors are all electric doors. Guess what? This is where you charge, okay? Right here, you have your fast charging and your slow charging. And this car, actually, Zeekr always usually break ground with your charging system. This car can actually charge fast from 10 to 80 in just 10 minutes. This is impressive, man. Now, let's take a look at the rear right here, guys. With the rear, you see, this car is a little bit smaller, right? You have this, guess what, your wings right here, and then you have your spoiler right here, and then you have the Zeekr logo. I think it's impressive. And you can also open the trunk from right here, or you can use your voice or use the screen, and even the physical boarding that's inside to open. And guess what, you have this beautiful space, which again, you can put the seats right down like that, okay, if you want more space. Simple. That's impressive. You know what I'm saying? That's great. So let me know what you're thinking about this car already. I think it's already kind of impressive, right? You can put that right down. And guess what? We're not talking about any other car, but guess what? The 007 GT. Now, let me take you inside the car so you see what the car has. So you see that, guys? That door is electric. You ain't got to do anything to open the door. You just touch and the door opens. And to close it, you just got to press the acceleration pedal and the door closes like that. You know what I'm saying? And while the door is closing, you can see my seat is already adjusting according to driving mode, okay? And right here, when you get into the car, guys, you have this beautiful Alcantara display right here. And guess what? You have this little dash, your HUD, your speakers, and of course, these seats are warming, massaging, and ventilating, all 3 in 1. And you can have it in all the 2 seats, and you can even have it at the rear seats if you actually choose the higher trim. And of course, higher trim means higher money. And with Zeekr right here, you have your physical buttons where you can do a lot, okay? Right here, you can open the glove box right there. Great. Or right here, you have your wireless charging, and you can even open the trunk again right here. And you can still close it. There are 100 ways you can do things in this car. You know what I'm saying? You can still open the trunk right here from the screen. That's it. And you can still close it from the screen. That's impressive, guys. Close it. And you see all the doors. You can also close all these doors just right here at the screen. Now, if I want to close that door right there, all I gotta just do is this right here. And I'm gonna close it. See that? And if I want to open it, I can open it again like that. That's impressive. I can still open my own door by just flipping around like this, and then I do that. See, my door opens. Zeekr, man, you guys killing it, man. This is impressive. Okay, and you can do this with all 4 doors in the car, okay? And we can do this all day, every day. It's just gonna be impressive. And yeah, so right here, the screen, guys, you can do a lot with this beautiful screen that you have right here. And you can actually touch this to send your car windows down, and you can do this to close your rear view mirrors and open them. And this is right here for your glove box, okay? When you do that, your glove box right there is gonna open. You know what I'm saying? That's great. And you can still manually open that same glove box from here, guys. You may want to display some lights. When you want to display some lights at the front of the car, for that beautiful light of the car, you can do right here, okay? So you can decide to display love, okay? Or you can decide to say hello, okay? That's ni hao. And you have so many of them, you know what I'm saying? You have right here your cup holders, and of course you can actually change the temperatures on your cup holders right here. See that? You can change that on the screen. And of course, have we talked about the 360 camera, which is super impressive? You have all, you can go to HD mode, you can see whatever you want to see on all angles on the car. Super impressive. I think that's great, you know what I'm saying? And you have right here for your massaging, and you have right here, you can do your HUD stuff like that. And guess what? Again, you have this glove box right here, which of course have your fast charging. You can still use the car by using this steering wheel right here. here by just actually touching here, and of course Yuan is going to respond to you. If you don't want to use your button right here, you can still use your voice, your virtual assistant. You can say, "Hi Yuan."
来了。
打开座椅按摩。
好的。
You see that, guys? Hey Yuan.
来了。
打开后备箱。
好的，打开后备箱。
Guys, you guys are playing. We can do this every day, all day, and the speakers in this car again are super good and impressive. And take a look at these beautiful lights we have right here. You can just do like that, and of course you're switching it off, and you can do like that, and you can do like that and switch on, and even changes colors, guys. This is impressive. I don't know, man. What you thinking about this car? And this seats, man, they are super impressive. Have you taken a look at this beautiful console that you have right here? This is right here where you can put your whatever key and stuff like that. Now, man, take a look at this, man. I think it's kind of great. Now, we got to take a look at the princess seat. You can actually lay away flat like this, and you can really relax and sleep in the car. You can get less stress, you know what I'm saying? You can get your lifespan improved because you're resting in the car like this with ease. Like you can lay away flat, not like the other cars you're just hanging like that and you're just begging for time to pass. No, yeah, your problems become much more easier when you can rest comfortably, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so let me know what you think about this car. I think it's great. And of course, guys, did you see that? See that right there? That's your 007 GT. Guess what? For your wireless charging, you have two. So that's it there. You know what I'm saying? Charging. Did you see that ambient lighting? That's it. It's changing on its own. That's how you have it. And again, you gotta have it at the rear of the car. Impressive. Now watch how I get out of the car. Just do like this. I ain't gotta push it. No, let my money stress for me. You know what I'm saying? What amount of money even? Because I think the car is kind of cheaper when you're having all these features in the car. You ain't gotta push it. No. And those of you are thinking like, oh no, you gotta work out, you gotta do some physical stuff in the car. Guys, if you want to work out, go to the gym. Okay, don't go and buy a car. You're struggling with the car, and you want to tell people like when you're struggling with the car and fighting with the car, that means you're a man. No, if you're a man, go to the gym and do some push-ups. You know what I'm saying? And lift some weight. No, don't come and be telling me that you're gonna be struggling with car doors to push and close. That makes you a man. Nope. You just lift your hand like that, you close the door. You know what I'm saying? And you lift your hand like that again and you open the door. Simple, man. Now we gotta go to the rear and also enjoy the rear. Right here, the rear, guys, I think it's kind of great, okay? And you have this beautiful sunroof that moves right way from the front to the back. And again, you have right here your coffee cup holders, and guys, the color seats are super impressive. The leather, man, is great. I think it's kind of a great leather. It's super holistic. I think it's, man, this is impressive. And when you take the higher trim, guys, of course, the one that's going to cost around $35,000, you're going to have this rear seats actually also massaging, okay? But right now, you can only have your ventilating and stuff like that. And again, even though it's a small car compared to the 001, guys, you have this beautiful space that we have right here. A lot of leg room, a lot of head space, and I think it's great. This car is super fast, guys. It goes from 0 to 100 in 2.9 seconds. I think it's a great car. Sells at around 200,000 RMB to around 250,000 RMB. That's approximately $27,500 US to around $35,000 US, depending on the trim that you want to choose, because it comes with a battery range of around 85 to 100 kilowatt hour battery. So depending on which kilowatt hour battery you're going to choose, that's how your price is going to be, and that's how fast you're going to get with the car. To actually get out of the car, all you got to do is just touch like this. It lights up, gives you a way for you to go out. And to close the doors, guys, you just do again like that. Guess what? The door closes. Stop playing, man. See this right here, guys? This can actually do your facial recognition and a lot of stuff right here. This sensor right here tells you a lot that's happening in the car right here. This is impressive. All of this right here, guys, you see, all of it right here is technology. See, you have your little puppy display right here. I'm fine. Guess what? You know what I'm saying? This is impressive. Taking a look at the front, guys, you also do have some space where you can keep some of your stuff. You know what I'm saying? This is right here at the front. Yeah, so guys, now we're gonna park the car. We're gonna let the car park on its own. Okay, so when you touch that, and you can get out of the car. So you can get out of the car and let the car park on its own now, guys. So that's it. see what magic is gonna happen. You can actually do this and let the car go, and you can go to your work and the car is gonna park on its own. That's impressive, guys. Let me know what you think about the 007 GT. From me to you, it's live tech on your screen where we bring you cars you didn't know exist. And of course, guess what? If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, can you please subscribe to the channel, touch that notification bell, and of course, let me know what you think about this car in the comment section. We're gonna see you on my next video. See you when I see you. Bye bye. Peace out.